So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your display name and your username in your Fiverr account. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to be in your dashboard, and now just go ahead and tap on your profile over here right above Refer a Friend. Once you tap there, you'll see this page and you can see this option pen-like button over here that says change display name. So you can just write your name to anything that you want and you can just save your display name. You need to choose a name that complies with their guidelines, so be careful with what you choose. And once you do that, you will see your username too over here, and you can see that there's no pen-like button over here. So guys, in Fiverr you cannot change your username as it is your unique identity. So if you want a different username, you just need to close this account and create a new account and write a new username for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.